Having faith in these stock picks could really boost your portfolio. Investors looking for solid picks should choose Lai Lu's stocks to buy. Berkshire Hathaway. A man who worships Munger and Buffett would own the holding company's stock. Alphabet. The cloud remains very profitable. East West Bancorp. Its balance sheet is more robust than some larger banks. Let's dive in. Here are the inner circle. 3 stock picks from a money manager that Charlie Munger trusts. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. If you're looking for Charlie Munger stocks to buy, it turns out the best place to look is a relatively unknown Chinese-American portfolio manager named Lai Lu. Over the summer, stories surfaced about the fascinating man behind Himalaya Capital. Born in China in 1966, Lu fled to New York in 1989, where he attended Columbia University, becoming fascinated with investing and finance. Lu ultimately met and impressed Munger, the Berkshire Hathaway vice chairman and right-hand man to Warren Buffett. Munger invested $88 million with Lu in the early 2000s. It's turned into more than $400 million in the decade since. Lu first invested in BYD in 2002. He would later introduce Munger and Buffett to the Chinese automotive and battery manufacturer. It's been one of Buffett's best investments of the 21st century. According to Himalaya Capital's latest 13th, its stock portfolio is valued at $1.8 billion, with just 5 companies accounting for its total investments. Let's dive deeper into 3 of the top picks from Munger's portfolio. Number 1. Berkshire Hathaway. In Himalaya's second quarter 2023 13th, it says that it held nearly 900,000 Berkshire Hathaway shares at the end of June, valued at $306.1 million. According to whalewisdom.com, Himalaya first bought Berkshire stock in the third quarter of 2021 for an estimated average price of $281.34. Its current share price is 32% higher than what Lu paid for Buffett's holding company stock. Berkshire Hathaway is up nearly 20% in 2023, more than 300 basis points higher than the S&P 500. Today, Himalaya Capital's website focuses on publicly traded stocks based in Asia, which means the holdings in the 13F aren't the investments likely held on behalf of Himalaya's investors, such as Munger. According to its Form ADV for the SEC, Himalaya's overall assets under management are $14.2 billion. Number 2. Alphabet. Of the $1.8 billion listed under Himalaya Capital's 13F, Alphabet is easily its largest holding. Between the Class A and Class C shares, Himalaya's $672 million stake in the owner of Google accounts for 37% of its total assets. Interestingly, Himalaya first entered its position in Alphabet's Class C shares in second quarter 2020, while entering into its Class A position in second quarter 2022. It last added to its position in Alphabet in fourth quarter 2022, adding 1.6 million Class A shares to its holdings. Of course, Alphabet isn't exactly a unique holding. Of the 54 analysts that cover its stock, 44 rate it overweight or an outright buy. They give it a $150 target price, approximately 10% higher than its current share price. Number 3. East West Bancorp. True, Himalaya's second largest holding is Bank of America, which holds a position of $518 million as of the end of June. However, East West Bancorp is the one to watch. First, 8 of the 12 analysts that cover the regional bank's stock rated as an outright buy with an $88.18 target price. Down more than 27% over the past year, East West Bancorp appears to be Himalaya's only true value proposition. Further, consider the purpose of East West Bancorp. It's to provide banking services to the Chinese American community in the U.S. and through its full banking license in China. Therefore, Lu's investment makes complete sense. Of course, it doesn't hurt that East West Bancorp is a well-run bank. It is an industry leader with returns on average assets, 1.85%, and a 21% return on average tangible common equity. Also, its net interest margin of 3.55% ranks high for the current operating environment. East West Bancorp's loan portfolio in second quarter grew 7% year over year to $49.8 billion, while its deposits were up 2% year over year to $55.6 billion. Equally impressive, its adjusted pre-tax, pre-provision income increased by 21% over last year. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.